I'm going to record some footage with my Samsung Note 20 Ultra mounted on my selfie stick with super stabilization on, and I'm going to show you how the phone itself has got super stabilization and you don't need to use a gimbal. So I'm going to record some slow-mo footage and some normal speed footage with the camera stabilization feature on. Watch the video until the end where I show you how to use the selfie stick with the camera and some tricks to get good footage from various angles. Now I am walking with the selfie stick extended for about a foot's length only until I draw close to this plant. Now I am walking straight ahead with my knees bent and heel to toe gait to avoid jerking. In this next shot, I'm going to extend my selfie stick between the branches of this tree and push it forwards as if the camera is flying forward slowly and capture some footage ahead of it. This is a zoom through or a push through move with the selfie stick. This footage has been recorded in slow motion, and therefore you will find that the swaying of the leaves is very slow and gentle. This is again a push through shot at a higher level between the branches of this tree, recorded in slow motion. One can observe the phone camera gently gliding through the split in this tree trunk. In the next shot, I'll show you how to record a Dutch angle by rotating the camera on the stick. Now, as I rotate the selfie stick, one can observe the camera rotate. Now I am pulling back the selfie stick. This footage is recorded at normal speed as I walk past and along this wall to get a shot of this foliage on the fence. Now I'm going to move the camera very close to this tree trunk from ground level and point the selfie stick by extending it upwards in a crane like or jib shot, capturing the texture of the trunk with some oddities in its shape until I reach the top of the trunk and see the branches and afterwards the sky through the leaves. This is a slow motion shot, and as we extend the stick upwards along the tree trunk, one comes across this oddity or this condition around the tree trunk. Now I've reached the top of the tree trunk and one can begin to see the branches coming off from the top and the sky is also visible. I'm just rotating the selfie stick slightly to give you that kind of a Dutch angle. Now observe the light of the sun penetrating the leaves of this tree to give an amazing light flare. What goes up has to come down, and so does my selfie stick and camera to ground level to discover another interesting spot and shot in this park. This is a bench in the park, and I found
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
interesting could be there. Here I am exploring the dark crevices, the fallen leaves, and the shade underneath this bush. I am shooting into the bottom of this bush near the ground to discover the interesting colors of fallen leaves and the shape of the tendrils to dropping down from the plant. To record footage with a selfie stick, you need a selfie stick with a Bluetooth function here. You can see the green light flickering over here. This indicates that there is a Bluetooth. You can connect this with your camera and then control the operation of the camera with the buttons on this remote control. So these are the options here. From the top, you can record video by pressing that button. The next one, you can switch the camera from front to back or vice versa. The next button is to start the recording by pressing this plus button, and with this button you can record photos, not video. And here you have an option. Last button is to switch off the video recording. The length of the selfie stick, the overall length of the selfie stick when fully extended will be about 1 meter or 1.5 meters, but you don't have to keep it at the full length. You can utilize whatever length of this selfie stick according to your requirement. So if you want to record stable footage while walking along a straight line, as I've done in the beginning of this clip, then you should keep the length as short as possible, because the longer the length, the greater will be the wobble and more unstable the footage. But if you want to record footage at ground level, then obviously you need to get the full use, you have to make full use of the length, and by doing that you'll be able to get closer to ground level as I walk. Or if you want to shoot up into the trees, again then you need to extend the length of the selfie stick as much as possible, then lock it and shoot into the top. You can also, I've shown you a Dutch angle shot where I rotated the selfie stick through the branches, and one does that by rotating the selfie stick like that, and along with it the camera attached to that. So you will get a shot of the subject at an angle to the side or the base of the camera. If you want to record footage with your phone mounted on a selfie stick, then you should switch on the in-camera stabilization, as I'm going to show you now. So go to your camera settings and you can see that the video stabilization, I'm turning it on now, and now we can be confident that the footage won't be shaky. While recording video with your selfie stick, if the selfie stick is extended, then you may want to input sound into your video by using some kind of a Bluetooth device. This is Samsung Buds Live, and I could use this, pair it with my professional video camera of the native app itself in the Note 20 Ultra, or in Filmic Pro you'll have to choose the audio input and switch to external microphone after having connected these buds to your phone. So if you want to scale up your video production, get slow motion footage like this, peer into the leaves at the distant treetops, or get close to the ground underneath a shrub or a bush, then a selfie stick will be of great help to you. You can get silky smooth footage with your selfie stick. You can get tricky shots like the Dutch angle, slider movements. You can get close to the ground level, up into the point up and look into the trees to get the flickering of the sun, rotate the camera, and many more. So I hope that this video was entertaining and inspires you to go and record some footage with that old selfie stick lying somewhere and capture some amazing footage. If you appreciate this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC, and press that bell icon after subscribing so that you'll be notified when I upload videos like this in future. Hope you enjoy shooting with your cell phone mounted on a selfie stick in the park. Have a nice day. See you. Take care. Bye.